day, my grade R learners, and welcome to your mathematics lesson. Today's lesson is on the number 2. I am Samira Kuni, and this lesson is brought to you by Gauteng Department of Education in collaboration with Sci-Bono Discovery Center and broadcasted by Gamma Research and Development. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the number 2, identify the number name, and be able to write the number 2. Before we go on to the lesson, we are going to go over a few things we learned before we were in grade R. Counting, numbers 0 to 5 forward and backward, counting using blocks, and 2D shapes. We are now going to count from 0 to 5. Repeat after me. 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. Very good. We are now going to count backwards from 5 to 0. Repeat after me. 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Very good. We are now going to count in our ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers shows us position of a person or an object. If you look at the picture, first in line, we have the girl with the purple bag. First. Second in line, we have the boy with the orange t-shirt. Second. Third in line, we have the boy with the green t-shirt. Third. Fourth, we have the girl with the pink t-shirt. Fourth. Fifth, we have the boy with the red bag. Fifth. Very good. That's how you count in ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Very good. We are now going to go over our 2D shapes. Repeat after me. Circle, circle, circle. This is a circle. Did you know a sun looks like a circle? Can you see that, learners? It's round just like a circle. Very good. Did you know a ball looks like a circle? Can you see that, learners? It's round just like a circle. Very good. Did you know a clock looks like a circle? Yes, it does. It's round just like a circle. Very good. We're now going to go on to the next shape. Triangle. Triangle, triangle, triangle. This is a triangle. Very good. Did you know a pizza is cut into a triangle? Yes, it is. Did you know a watermelon can be cut into a triangle? Yes, learners, it can. Did you know a sandwich can be cut into a triangle? Yes, it can. Very good. We are now going to go on to the next shape. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. This is a rectangle. Very good. Did you know a door looks like a rectangle? Yes, learners, it does. Did you know a cell phone looks like a rectangle? If you look at the picture, it does. Did you know a tissue box looks like a rectangle? Yes, learners, it does. Very good. We are now going to go on to the next shape. Square, square, square. This is a square. Very good. Did you know a box looks like a square? Yes, learners, a box does look like a square. Did you know a cushion looks like a square? Yes, learners, it does. Did you know a window looks like a square? Yes, it does. Very good. We are now going to go on to the next shape. Hexagon, hexagon, hexagon. This is a hexagon. Did you know a beehive has hexagons? Yes, it does. Very good. Did you know a medal has a hexagon shape? If you look, it does. Did you know a clock has a hexagon shape? Yes, learners, it does. Octagon, octagon, octagon. This is a octagon. Did you know a stop sign has an octagon shape? Yes, it does. Did you know a clock has an octagon shape? Yes, learners, it does. Did you know a spider's web has an octagon shape? Look carefully. It does. We are now going to go on to the next shape. Pentagon, pentagon, pentagon. This is a pentagon. Did you know a soccer ball has pentagons on it? Yes, learners, it does. Did you know a birdhouse has pentagons on it? Look carefully. It does. Did you know a button has a pentagon shape? Yes, learners. Buttons come in different shapes and sizes. Very, very good. Okay, we are now going to go on to a story on number 2. But remember, we are going to sing a song. We always sing the song before a story so that you'll remember to listen and be quiet during a story. Okay, you're going to repeat after me. Put your finger on your lips, shh, shh. Put your finger on your lips, shh, shh. Put your finger on your lips and don't let it slip. Put your finger on your lips, shh, shh. Again, put your finger on your lips, shh, shh. Put your finger on your lips, shh, shh. Put your finger on your lips and don't let it slip. Put your finger on your lips, shh, shh. Very good. Well done. Okay, getting to know the number 2. Are you ready, learners? Very good. What does the number 2 look like? Here it comes. This is the number 2. Number 2. What does the number word look like? This is what the number word looks like. Look at the screen and see which letters pop up. T, W, O. 2. T, W, O. 2. One more time. T, W, O. 2. Very good. Can you find the number 2 on the number line? You gotta look carefully. Here it comes. Well done. The number 2 is right next to the number 1. Number 2 comes after number 1. How can we show the number 2? Can you see how we can show the number 2? Let's find out. 2. Very good. 2. Well done. Good job. How do we write the number 2? Gotta look carefully. Make a candy cane and give it a shoe. And that's the way we make a 2. You make a candy cane and give it a shoe. And that's the way we make a 2. You make a candy cane and give it a shoe. And that's the way we make a 2. Very good. How do we write the number named 2? Look at the screen and see which letters pop up. T, W, O. 2. 2. T, W, O. 2. Very good. I see 2 candles. I see 2 candles. Can you see 2 candles? Yes. T, W, O. 2 candles. I see 2 balloons. Can you see 2 balloons? Very good. T, W, O. 2. I see 2 flowers. Can you see 2 flowers? Yes. T, W, O. 2. I see 2 kids playing. T, W, O. 2. I see 2 kids going to school. T, W, O. I see 2 kids reading. T, W, O. 2. We are now going to go over a story with the number 2. Are you all ready, learners? Very good. Gina and her grandmother went to the supermarket. Can you all see Gina and her grandmother at the supermarket? Very good. Gina goes to the fruits and vegetables side first. Her grandmother told her to take 2 apples. Gina goes to the fruit and vegetable side first and she takes 2 apples. 1, 2. Very good. Her grandmother told her to take carrots. Gia takes 2 carrots. 1, 2. 2 carrots. Her grandmother told her to take bananas. Gina takes 2 bananas. 1, 2. Her grandmother went to the bakery to get some cupcakes. Her grandmother took 2 strawberry cupcakes. 1, 2. 2 strawberry cupcakes. Her grandmother went to the bakery to get pieces of chocolate cake. Her grandmother took 2 pieces of chocolate cake. 1, 2. 2 pieces of chocolate cake. Soon as Gina and her grandmother were done shopping, the 2 of them went home. When Gina and her grandmother got home, her grandmother poured 2 cups of tea. Her grandmother also brought 2 pieces of chocolate cake, and the 2 of them really enjoyed their tea time after all the shopping. Now it's time to move on to our activity. Answer the questions. How many bananas did Gina take? Can you remember, learners? Her grandmother sent her to get fruits and vegetables. How many bananas did Gina take? Very good. She took 2 bananas. How many carrots did Gina take? Can you remember how many carrots she took? 2 carrots. Very good. How many apples did Gina take? Can you remember how many apples Gina took? Yes, that's correct. She took 2 apples. Very good. How many cups of tea did grandmother pour? Can you remember after all the shopping what they did when they went home? They had 2 cups of tea. Very, very good. Now you're going to spot the bags with the number 2. Look carefully. I'm going to count to 3 and then you are going to spot all the bags with the number 2. 1, 2, 3. Can you see any bags with the number 2? Yes, very good. Well done. Is there another bag with the number 2? Can anybody see? Very good. Well done, learners. You're doing a great job. Is there another bag with the number 2? Look carefully. Yes, there is. Do you think we're done? Can you look and see if there's a number 2 left on one of the bags? Correct. Yes, there is. Well done, learners. Give yourself a big clap. Okay, we are now going to write the number 2 in the air 3 times. Remember, make a candy cane and give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. Make a candy cane and give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. And one more time, make a candy cane and give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. Write the number 2 3 times in your book. So the same way you wrote it in the air, you are going to write it in your book. Make a candy cane and give it a shoe. That's the way we write a 2. Make a candy cane and give it a shoe. That's the way we write a 2. Make a candy cane and give it a shoe. That's the way we write a 2. Very good. Well done, learners. Let's go over what we have learned. What does a number 2 look like? How do we show the number 2? How do we write the number 2? T, W, O. Very good. Number 2. Well done. On our next lesson, we will be going over the number 3. Mr. Number 2 would like to say, well done. And thank you for joining the lesson. Well done, learners. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.